How many piggies can you fit? A dive into population density and how we calculate it. First, let's start by talking about what population density means. Population is the number of things in an area, and density is how close together things are. Therefore, population density is how compact people or things are in a certain area. As we know, piggies come in all sizes, similar to density. Density has three types: low, medium, and high. If there are a lot of piggies in a small pen, then there would be a high density because they don't have much wiggle room. If there are a lot of piggies in a large pen, or a small number of piggies in a tiny pen, there would be medium density. Lastly, if there are a small number of piggies in a large pen, there would be low density because they have more space to spread out. For the best pen, piggies would like to have a medium to low density so that they aren't as clustered and have more room to walk around and play. Thanks for reading.